ChatGPT-4, all you need to know about it. Are you tired of scrolling through endless chat apps that just don't cut it? Look no further than ChatGPT-4. This innovative messaging platform has everything you need to stay connected with friends, family, and colleagues. From its user-friendly interface to its customizable features, ChatGPT-4 is the ultimate solution for all your messaging needs. So sit back and get ready to discover why ChatGPT-4 is the future of communication. What is ChatGPT-4? ChatGPT-4 is a chatbot that has been trained on the Google Translate corpus. It is designed to provide accurate translations of the text in multiple languages. It can also be used to generate text in multiple languages, based on input from the user. If you're new to ChatGPT-4, here's a quick guide on how to use it. First, create a free account and log in. Then, create a new chat room by clicking on the Create Room button. Give your room a name and description, then invite others to join by sharing the link. Once you're in a chat room, you can start chatting with others right away. To do so, just type in your message and hit enter. Your message will appear in the chat window for everyone to see. You can also use ChatGPT-4's other features, such as sending files or images, by clicking on the icons above the chat window. And if you ever need help using ChatGPT-4, just click on the Help link at the bottom of the page. The different types of ChatGPT-4. There are 4 different types of ChatGPT-4. 1. The standard version. The standard version is the most popular and widely used version of ChatGPT-4. It includes all of the features that are essential for general use, such as message sending, receiving, and managing. 2. The professional version. The professional version is designed for users who need more advanced features than what the standard version offers. It includes additional features such as group chat and video calls. 3. The enterprise version. The enterprise version is the most comprehensive and feature-rich version of ChatGPT-4. It includes everything in the professional version, plus even more advanced features such as file sharing and team collaboration. 4. The customizable version. The customizable version allows users to choose which features they want to include in their ChatGPT-4 installation. This makes it ideal for businesses or organizations that need a tailor-made solution for their specific needs. ChatGPT-3 versus ChatGPT-4. ChatGPT-4 is the newer model of ChatGPT, and it offers several improvements over the older ChatGPT-3. For one, ChatGPT-4 has a larger training dataset, which allows it to better learn the nuances of conversation. Additionally, ChatGPT-4 uses a different approach to conversation modeling, which results in more natural and human-like conversations. Finally, ChatGPT-4 is faster and more efficient than ChatGPT-3, making it the better choice for most users. Pros and cons of ChatGPT-4. ChatGPT-4 is a chatterbot created by OpenAI. It is designed to generate human-like conversation by using a large training dataset of human conversation. The pros. Since it is based on human conversation, it is more natural sounding than other chatterbots. It can be trained to hold conversations on any topic. It can be used for customer service, online dating, or even just to make new friends. The cons. It requires a lot of data to train properly and can sometimes produce strange results if not enough data is used. Since it is based on human conversation, it is susceptible to the same problems that people have when trying to communicate with each other. Misunderstandings, getting offended, etc. Alternatives to ChatGPT-4. There are many alternatives to ChatGPT-4 available on the market today. Some of the most popular options include 1. IBM Watson. IBM's Watson is a powerful artificial intelligence platform that can be used for a variety of tasks, including chatbot development. 2. Google Dialogflow. Dialogflow is a Google-owned platform that allows developers to build chatbots and other conversational applications. 3. Microsoft Bot Framework. The Microsoft Bot Framework is another popular option for building chatbots and other applications. It includes tools for natural language processing, machine learning, and more. 4. Amazon Lex. Amazon Lex is a service from Amazon that lets developers build chatbots and other conversational applications using the company's artificial intelligence technology. Conclusion. ChatGPT-4 is an amazing chatbot that has impressive capabilities and can be used by anyone. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, it can understand human conversations and respond accordingly. Its potential applications are endless, from basic customer service tasks to more complex AI projects. We hope this video has given you a comprehensive overview of what ChatGPT-4 is and how it could benefit your business or project.